discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. That's pretty cool. Little subwoofer there.
Yeah.
How you doing?
Good. How are you?
Doing a video, man.
Have what's that?
Driver, shut it.
No, that's good.
Could you give me a little rundown of all the equipment and setup you got for the video?
It's just 8 ground zero 15s. They're the nuclear series. I can't remember. They're the smaller ones. It's running off of 4 Audio Legion 5Ks on the subs.
Did you build this? The box?
Yeah.
Really? Wow, it looks really clean.
Thank you.
And it's a 6th order.
6th order, yeah.
What's the tunings?
Well, originally it was 32 and 64, but I don't know how. That was for different subs. So.
Okay. Awesome. Have you metered it? Did you meter it yet?
A couple times.
A couple times? Okay. Do you like it? Are you where you want to be, or
needs more power?
More power?
Yeah.
Okay. Awesome. What was your name?
My name's Rod.
Ryan. Okay. All right. Yeah, I'd like to hear it, man.
All right.
Awesome. And these doors are on point. It looks really clean, man.
Thank you.
And I like the way the amp rack's in the back, nice and clean, and you still got some storage room.
Pretty simple, yeah.
Yeah.
It's getting repowered in the spring.
It is good, huh? Wow.
Not too bad.
Dude, that's really musical.
What kind of power?
20,000.
Jeez.
Not enough.
For me, no. But I've got an Excursion too. That's why I'm kind of checking.
It's
it out.
efficient though.
Yeah, it's
Really
pretty
efficient.
efficient. It's getting repowered in the spring. It'll be 8 8Ks.
Wow.
1 8K per sub.
You got a sub here?
Yeah. I couldn't find it. You can play music.
Oh yeah.
It's musical. It's
Without the bass. See, that's
even with the bass. Like if you listen to like, you know, like Phil Collins or anything like that, it sounds pretty good.
See, that's what I like. I
Yeah.
listen to every.
Hey, how do you
Yeah,
open the door?
Yeah, just push on it.
Push on it?
Hey, how much? 38,000.
Oh, wow. That's pretty cool.
38,000 watts.
He had a button lock.
No,
I'm sorry.
That was cool. Nice to meet you,
Oh,
man.
yeah, you too.
Y'all have a good day.
Yeah, you too.
That was awesome. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.